Hello there, I'm Janet from Jan's English class. Today, you will be learning what an allusion is, an allegory is, and what assonance is. So you'll learn the definitions, and then how to use them, and some examples. In the end, you'll get a little test. 2 questions only. Now, let's get on to our lesson. So firstly, we have allusion. What is an allusion? An allusion is a depiction of a fantasy story, usually something infamous. Have you heard of Disney? I'm pretty sure everyone has. If you relate something to Disney, boom, you have it, an allusion. So this literary device is used to relate a subject to something well known to provoke humor and understanding. You can use them in stories, speeches, communication, and conversations. They're great for kids, adults, and they're really popular nowadays. I don't know why. Now we're moving on to the allegory. Allegories are really interesting. They're the concepts of stories and legends that have a deeper meaning than the surface subject. By surface subject, that means literally, what do you see in front of you? What are you reading in front of you? I'll give you examples in the end. They provoke a kind of serious effect sometimes. You use them in essays and speeches. So allegories are really interesting. I have been fascinated by this. I've learned this word a few weeks ago, and I'd like to put this in the video today. Now you've learned what allegory is. Let's move on to the next. Third one, and the last one, is assonance. Assonance is a sound segment that is joined of vowels and sounds formed by letters of pronunciation that are similar. You would not normally use these, but it's good to use them when writing songs. Next time you listen to a pop song, a song lyrics, then you can kind of notice the repetition of rhyming, assonance, the words that have a similar sound. I will give you examples in the end. Now, let's move on. Examples time. This is the part where you have to concentrate so you can make examples yourself if you want. First, we have an example of an allusion. Like I said before, an allusion is a depiction of something to provoke understanding and humor. So, look at this sentence over here. Her kind heart was like Snow White's. Snow White. You know who Snow White is? The beautiful princess from the fairy tale legends. In Disney too. Like I said before, Snow White. You know who Snow White is, and you know what a kind heart is. So if you connect a kind heart and Snow White, then you know how kind that person is, don't you? Now time for allegory. Here's a bit difficult, a bit advanced. Don't worry if you don't understand. A war between neighbors throwing rocks at each other is actually depicting the country's warfare. So imagine 2 neighbors on the other side of the road, and they're just throwing rocks at each other, fighting over something. But as I said before, the definition of allegory is something that's deeper than what it actually is. Countries' warfare. Countries' warfare, 2 countries fighting over each other, 2 neighbors fighting against each other. Neighbors fighting, a bit simple. Countries' warfare, not so simple. Lastly, we have assonance. Something a bit easier for you to end off is go slow over the road. Go slow over the road. Go slow over the road. Slow and road have a similar vowel, so it sounds similar. You remember what assonance means? Slow road. Go slow over the road provokes a rhyming sound. So those are your 3 examples. Try making some yourself. Lastly, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned what an allusion, an assonance, and an allegory is in mixed-up order, but they're the same thing. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, click the bell icon, which is a notification bell, and like this video. Thank you for watching, and check out my websites. Lastly, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!